Okay, so shooting this video real quick. This is for a 2004 to 2007 Detroit Series 60 14 liter. This is your EGR valve on here, and these little fuckers are about $900 after you get them, take the core back and everything else. So it's going to cost you that much to put it on here. Now this is for a friend of mine, brought his in. He says the truck's running fine, plenty of power, no deletes or anything done on the computer. And we know that because we swapped it out with a another ECM that was, all the parameters were the same for a stock truck. And we found this. So it looks to me like somebody got in there and hit it with the 6011 or some type of MIG welder or whatever. Now, he doesn't want to go to the expense of putting a new EGR valve back on. The truck's running fine, never throws code, never has any type of problems with the power, D-rate, or anything. So for those of you who got 14-liter Detroits and you don't want to spend a whole buck ton of money, like $6,000 to get a leak done, it's up to you what you do. Have a nice day.